Top 10 Bizarre Frogs. There are over 4,800 different species of frogs that can be found all over the world. The different environments experienced by these frogs have resulted in many bizarre-looking species that we can find today. In this list, we will learn more about the most fascinating and unusual frogs known to man. Before we get to the list of the top 10 bizarre frogs, make sure to give us that thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and click that bell icon so you can be notified anytime we post a new video. Number 10. The Brazilian Horned Frog. This amazing frog is found in the Amazon rainforest of South America. The Brazilian horned frog, Ceratophorus aurita, has a distinct appearance compared to other amphibians. Evolution has hidden this creature well, disguising it as a leaf to blend into its surroundings. The frog can grow to a large size, reaching a length of 20 centimeters. It buries itself in leaves, so only its head is visible, and when anything walks past, it's quickly snapped up and eaten. It is a very aggressive animal, and local villagers often wear large leather boots to protect their feet from their powerful bites. Despite their aggressive nature, some people keep these frogs as pets. Number 9. Helen's Flying Frog. This newly discovered frog was first documented in January this year, so there is little information on this creature. However, we do know that this frog can fly using its huge webbed feet. It glides across forest canopies of South Vietnam to escape predators, and female specimens have flaps of skin on their arms to aid flight. Its large feet are used to stick to tree branches after gliding. Helen's flying frog, Rheacorpius Helen, is quite large, reaching 10 centimeters in length. It was discovered in Vietnam near Saigon by an Australian scientist. She named the frog after her mother. Which amazes biologists is that it is so large and lives so close to Saigon, but has remained undetected for so long. Number 8. The Harlequin Toad. The variable Harlequin Toad, Adelapis varius, is native to Costa Rica, and over the past few years, due to the spread of a fungus and changes in climate, its numbers have decreased rapidly to a single isolated population. The species is now dangerously close to extinction. The toad's colors, which can be purple, black, or yellow, warn predators to stay clear as it has a powerful toxic poison, which is 100 times stronger than potassium cyanide. The only creature that poses as a threat to the Harlequin toad, apart from humans, is a parasitic fly which lays its eggs on the frog's legs, allowing them to burrow inside. They then eat the frog's internal organs, eventually killing it. Number 7. The Goliath Frog. The Goliath Frog, Conraya Goliath, is the largest frog on Earth. It can grow up to 33 centimeters in length and can weigh up to 3 kilograms. The giant African bullfrog is only half the size of the Goliath frog. The creature is native to West Africa. It eats crabs, small snakes, and even other frogs. The Goliath frog makes no sound due to the lack of a vocal sac. It has huge, powerful legs that allow it to jump a great distance, up to 3 meters or 10 feet. Unfortunately, like many other frog species, the Goliath frog is vulnerable to human activities such as hunting, deforestation, and the pet trade. These factors have now made the frog an endangered species. Number 6. The Morogoro tree toad. Endemic to the tropical forests and grasslands of Tanzania, the Morogoro tree toad, Nectophryonoides viviparus, has large glands on its body near the eyes and the limbs. These glands can be a wide range of colors, including orange, gray, green, red, and white. The color of the glands usually contrasts to the rest of the frog. The eggs hatch while inside the female, and they are released as small but fully formed toads. This type of gestation is rare amongst amphibians. Number 5. Venezuela Pebble Toad. Typically found in the mountainous regions with lots of steep slopes is the Venezuelan Pebble Toad, Oreopharalaga nigra. When faced with dangers such as a tarantula, one of the toad's main predators, it tucks its head and limbs under its body and then tenses its muscles. It forms a ball shape and then rolls down the nearest hill, landing in a puddle or crevice at the bottom. They do not take any damage from rolling and bouncing because they are so light and their muscles are very strong. The frog uses this defense mechanism because rolling is a lot faster than jumping, and it cannot jump very far. Number 4. Vietnamese Mossy Frog. The Vietnamese Mossy Frog, Theladerma cortical, is found in the tropical forests of marshes of northern Vietnam. The name comes from their distinct form of camouflage which resembles moss and lichen. When predators approach, the frog hides by curling its legs inwards. So only the mossy body is visible. It has large pads on its feet to stick to trees, and its diet consists entirely of insects. The frogs lay eggs on cave walls, and the tadpoles fall into the water below, where they spend the rest of their lives. The Vietnamese mossy frog is also a popular pet in Asia. Number 3. Turtle frog. The turtle frog, Myobactris gauldi, is found in semi-arid regions of Western Australia. It has a very unusual appearance and looks like a shellless turtle, with a round pinky-brown colored body, a tiny head, and stubby limbs. Their limbs are short and muscular, allowing them to dig through the sand and to break open termite mounds, which is the frog's main food source. The turtle frog skips the tadpole stage and grows into a fully formed frog while inside its egg. For this reason, the eggs are the largest out of any other frog in Australia, measuring 5 to 7 milliliters in length. Number 2. Glass frog. This frog has been featured on Listverse before, but it definitely deserves a place on this list. The bizarre-looking glass frog, Centrolinidae, is also native to the Amazon basin. These frogs are green but have transparent skin on the underside of their bodies. This allows their liver, heart, and intestines to be seen clearly. In pregnant female specimens, even frog spawn is visible inside. It is thought that the transparent skin serves as protection, allowing light reflected off leaves to shine through the frog. This makes it harder for predators to spot. They live in the trees of humid, mountainous areas and lay their eggs on leaves. The tadpoles then drop into the water below and continue their growth to the adult stage. Number 1. The Surinam Toad. At number 1, the Surinam Toad, Pipa pipa. Like many other frogs, it is found in the tropical rainforests of the Amazon. It is a large toad and can grow 20 centimeters. Compared to other species, it has tiny eyes and an extremely flat body. It's usually mud-brown in color and has no tongue or teeth. When searching for a mate, the Surinam Toad does not croak like normal toads, but instead strikes two bones in its throat together to produce a high-pitched clicking noise. Even more bizarre are the toad's spawning and reproductive techniques. In a body of water, the male attaches to the female what is known as an amplexus. Then the pair jump out of the water several times. The female releases a few eggs after each jump, and these eggs implant into the back of the creature through the skin. These eggs move further into the body, and they develop into fully formed toads inside these pockets. Then they burst out of the skin during birth. There you have it, the top 10 bizarre frogs in the world. Make sure to give us a thumbs up, like our video, click to subscribe to our channel, and click that bell icon so you can be notified anytime we post a new video.